Hello friends, today we'll discuss questions related to blood relation. Blood relation is very important from various examination point of view. So one must go through all the questions related to blood relation. So without wasting any time, I would suggest all of you to be ready with a pen and paper and try to solve this particular blood relation question. And make sure you pause the video while solving this. And once you're done with your answer, we will go for the explanation and the correct answer. So make sure you pause the video every time we discuss the question and try to solve this, and then we'll go to the explanation. So let us go to the first question. Looking at a picture of a boy, Hemant said, his mother is the wife of my father's son. Brothers and sisters I have none. At whose pictures was Hemant looking? A. His son. B. His cousin. C. His uncle. D. His nephew. Or E. None of this. Try to solve this after pausing the video. So the correct answer is option A, which is his son. You can go through this explanation and figure out what went wrong if you have got the wrong answer. This is the explanation for this question. Moving to the next question. When Anup saw Sandeep, he recalled, he is the son of the father of my daughter's mother. Who is Sandeep to Anup? A. Brother-in-law. B. Brother. C. Cousin. D. Uncle. Or E. Nephew. Once again, pause the video and try to solve this particular blood relation question. So the correct answer is option A, which is brother-in-law. You can go through this explanation. I hope you have got the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Pointing to Kalyan, Shreya said, his mother's brother is the father of my son Manish. How is Kalyan related to Shreya? Option A, sister-in-law. Option B, nephew. Option C, niece. Option D, aunt. And option E, none of this. Pause the video and try to solve this. The correct answer is option B, which is nephew. You can go through this explanation. It's a very short explanation and you will get the answer correctly. Moving to the next question. Pointing to a lady, Saruk said, she is the daughter of the only child of my grandmother. How is the lady related to Shahrukh? Option A, sister. Option B, niece. Option C, cousin. Option D, data inadequate. Or option E, none of this. Once again, pause the video and try to solve this. The correct answer is option A, which is sister. You can go through this explanation again. Moving to the next question. If Neha says Priyanka's father Omveer is the only son of my father-in-law Chandrapal, then how is Ruchi, who is the sister of Priyanka, related to Chandrapal? Option A, niece. Option B, daughter. Option C, wife. Option D, daughter-in-law. Option E, none of this. Try to solve this. So the correct answer is option E, which is none of this. So you can go through this explanation provided. You can also pause this video and see this explanation in case I am very fast. Okay, moving to the next question. Sohan said to Mohan, there is some error. This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. How is Sohan related to this girl? A, grandfather. B, father. C, husband. D, father-in-law. Sorry, you can see the explanation I guess, but still you have to find the answer. It's not the complete explanation. Okay, so the correct answer is option D, which is father-in-law. You can go through the explanation now. Moving to the next question. S is mother of T, T is husband of J, N is son of J, Z is father-in-law of J, K is brother of N. How K is related to Z? This will take some time. So again, you can pause the video and try to solve this. Option A is son, option B brother, option C nephew, option D uncle, or option E none of this. So the correct answer is option E, none of this. You can go through this explanation. Okay, going to the last question. Pointing towards a boy, Veena said, "He is the only son of my grandfather." How is that boy related to Veena? Again, the explanation is half visible, but still you won't get the answer completely here. We'll discuss the answer later. You can solve this particular blood relation question by pausing the video aforementioned. So option A uncle, option B brother, option C cousin, or option D data inadequate. The correct answer is option B, which is brother. You can go through the explanation now. Okay friends, that's all for today's blood relation question. Will come with more parts in the future. I hope you have enjoyed this video and tried so many blood relations questions and have got a good number of correct answers. So if you have liked the video, then you can subscribe to our channel and wait for the future blood related quiz. Thank you and have a nice day.